What is simple interest? Simple interest is a percentage of the principal added to the loan amount regularly, such as by month, quarterly, or year. It can be expressed as a formula, in which I is interest amount, P is principal amount, R is interest rate as decimal, and T as time. However, we can also use the following formulas in computing the time, for principal, and for interest rate. As an example, Abby deposited 5,000 for 4 years in a bank at a rate of 6%. What is the interest and amount that Abby got out of it? Let's break down the problem first. The principal is 5,000 pesos. Our time is 4 years. The rate is 6%, which will be changed to 0.06. Following the formula, we have 5,000 multiplied by 6 times 4 divided by 100. Then we'll get 1,200 pesos, and that's our interest. We then proceed to add 5,000 and 1,200 pesos. For that, we'll get the amount of 6,200 pesos. Compound interest is a percentage of the principal amount including all previously acquired interest. In other words, for each interest accruing period, the amount of interest added to the principal is calculated based on the principal plus the interest added in the previous period. As a borrower, compound interest can work against you as interest accrues faster than you can pay down the principal. Calculate the amount of compound interest you would accrue every year. You can use the following formula. For example, you set up a savings account with a deposit of 5,000 pesos. The bank applies a compound interest rate of 2.8%. Interest accrues every month. After 1 month, your investment has added 11.67 in interest. You arrive at this by applying the formula. By the end of the year, you will have added 141.81 in compound interest. At the end of 5 years, you will have added 750.43 in compound interest. Simple versus compound interest. Simple interest is easier to calculate. The compound interest formula has many components to be considered. Simple interest is always the same amount since it is a percentage of the principal. The compound interest amount is different every accrual period, since it is a percentage of the principal plus interest earned or accrued to date. Simple interest works in your favor when you borrow money for purchases such as car loans, since the cost of the loan is the same for each payment. Compound interest is better for investing or saving since your funds will grow quicker. Since the interest charge and principal amount are the same every accrual period with a simple interest loan, you won't be charged for outstanding interest when you pay the loan off. The principal remains the same with simple interest. With compound interest, the compounded interest is added to the principal, increasing the principal amount. Submitted by Jesusa Hermogenes from 11 ABM 2. Thank you for watching.